Hi guys, Gidra here. So I decided, you've seen my wall. I started putting the bricks up, and that now, I was thinking about it. I have it almost halfway through, but I think if I started on the top and went all the way down, it will be better. So we won't see how, the bottom will be covered. The moment we walk in, we kind of see the brick right away. So it would be easier if it was going down, up to down, from the bottom to down. Oh my goodness, again, English, not so good. All right, so let's see. Ready? Ready? I'm ready. Where is just the corner? I have to find the corner. You see, the way they put on, it's hard, right? You can't even see. That's what I love about it. You can't. Oh my gosh. Wow. Oops. Sorry. Again. Don't do what I do. Prepare your space. Take everything away. Put it away. What's not needed, so you don't break it or it doesn't get broken. Live and learn. I never do that. So impatient. Just want to get it done. Okay, let's see. I think it's right here. I'm so cold today. I just got back and my fingers let's see. Oh my god. It's really good when you cannot even find the line. Here you go. All right. Wow. Look at that. Look at that. Da-dum. Da-dum, da-dum. No paint came off. The wall is nice and clean. And remember what I was telling you, save everything, save these papers. So, what are we gonna do? I'll take the sweater off soon because it was just freezing. We'll put it back, right? We'll line it up just because, you can go up with the same thing if you want to change it and want to start going up right away. I just want to take it down first and then start fresh, right? So, because I think, depending on time too, this isn't like there is a time crunch or anything, right? I keep emphasizing, enjoy what you do, have fun with it. Even if it's coming off, perfect. Like I never had it even on a wall. That's amazing. What a great quality too, Just have fun, play with it, and save it. And look at my workspace, really. Does not need much over space. Just putting everything on my kitchen table. Again, if you're storing it, there isn't much room to store it. It doesn't require a room, a storage. And easy goes on, easy comes off. There we go. The only thing that I'm gonna leave there, I'm gonna leave the one that I cut. I'm not gonna take it off. It's done. It's gonna stay there because that's not gonna change. I'll have to cut more of them off anyways. So I am leaving it there. I am getting everything off. I'm gonna have some coffee to warm myself up. It's so cold outside. Oh my gosh. And I went to my favorite store, to one of my favorite stores, and look what the cat dragged in. So I was, brick on its own, it's very busy, right? So to put an artwork, it's pretty hard, but I want the artwork on the wall. So I was thinking, and I got these frames from secondhand store. Yes, exactly. That's the beauty of it. I checked it in a store that they open and the glass come out, because you know what I like? I really like when the frame is just there on its own without any even picture in it. There are so many beautiful frames. I have an idea. I was looking for something. I didn't see it there today, but I'll go back and try to look for it so we can paint it and just put the bigger frames on a wall, right? So glass came out, everything came out. Look at it. It's beautiful, right? And I think, again, it was my impatience. Boom. So we'll do something like that. You see it? Nice. As I said, brick itself, well, fake brick in this case, wallpaper brick, looks great on its own. So if we just put the empty frames, sometimes even if we just lean them to like a shelf or a bench or whatever you have, my tip, gosh, I'm fast, check in a store, that's what I did, the frames, if you gonna go with this idea, if the glass and that thing comes off, because there was the frame that the glass was glued on and it just came off partially. I was not able to take the whole thing off, so I left it there. Here you go, right? So we have another frame, and if I don't want it on a wall and if I just want to lean it, the beauty of it is too here that it can go either way. I love stacking frames. That looks really cool as well. I'm warming up just from talking. Okay, a couple more things. I'll take a couple of them off because I see this one is already coming off. And oh my gosh, it's amazing. It's amazing how nice. Look at that. I promise you, it's all on. I mean, the paint is on the wall and this is nice and clean. Yep. And it goes back on here. Easy. My goodness. No mess. Nothing, right? My posture, not good. Have to watch your body too, guys, right? Watch your posture. Don't need to get injured or there you go. Wow. Well, I think I'll need a ladder, right? We want to be safe here. I'll get the ladder out. Again, I don't know if I'm going to do this today or not, but I just wanted to show you how easily it comes off, how easily it goes back on. I'm saving it. They all will go back on. I'm just going to use a different method because I was thinking if I am going up and, there is a half of the tile left, I'd rather cut it on a bottom than on a top. Because when we come in, everything we see is eye level and up. So we not draw naturally to look to the bottom. We draw naturally to look up. That's why we'll do this. Okay? I'm so excited. I am so excited. My walls are coming together. Let me just grab my cup of coffee that I made. Oh, now it's gonna be so good. Oh my God, those frames. Wow. Wow. I love it. I love it. So always recommend thrift store. It's fantastic. Because you know what I had? I had these. And an empty wall. They looked really good. They are busy. Brick is busy. Look how it disappears, right? It just, I cannot see the brick. I cannot even see this. Maybe this, the apple one would be okay. But I just didn't want to be too busy. So I'll save these, or I can just lean them on my bench and have them there. But I really like this. I think it's going to be awesome if I find more. And now, I want to go for something very eclectic, different, right? They don't need to match. That's another beauty of it. Just because the brick is already very uniformed, you don't need the frames to be uniformed here. If we have one color wall and there is no any pattern on it, I would go for the, just one color frame, uniform, nice, with a picture, so picture pops. Here we're looking at two pieces of art, the frame itself and the brick wall. Okay, so keep hanging here with me. I'll take these down and then I'll put them back up. Don't know what to do tomorrow. Cheers, guys. Enjoy your coffee, enjoy your tea, enjoy your morning or midday. Whatever you do, love you so much. Keep creating, and I'll see you soon.